The 2025 Lexus RZ marks a significant step in the automaker's electric vehicle journey, introducing new entry-level trims to its RZ300e and RZ450e AWD lineup. With prices starting at $43,975, Lexus aims to attract a wider audience to its luxury all-electric offerings while continuing to deliver the refined driving experience the brand is known for. Expanding the electric lineup. Lexus is enhancing its presence in the electric vehicle (EV) market by expanding the RZ lineup with new entry-level grades. The addition of these models to both the RZ300e and RZ450e AWD not only lowers the cost of entry, but also provides consumers with more options to suit their driving needs. Built at the Motomachi plant in Toyota City, Japan, the 2025 Lexus RZ is set to go on sale later this year, offering the luxury and performance expected from the brand in an all-electric package. RZ300e. Introducing the entry-level option. The newly introduced RZ300e serves as the gateway to the Lexus electric SUV lineup. Powered by a 72.8 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery supplied by contemporary Amperex technology company, Limited CATL, this front-wheel drive crossover delivers 201 horsepower. With an EPA estimated range of 266 miles when equipped with 18-inch wheels, the RZ300e is well-suited for daily commutes and longer journeys alike. Opting for the 20-inch wheels adjusts the range to an EPA estimated 224 miles. Starting at $43,975, the 2025 Lexus RZ300e provides a more accessible entry into the luxury EV segment without compromising on comfort or quality. The absence of a rear electric axle, replaced by a subframe, contributes to a smoother and quieter ride by suppressing vibrations and reducing noise levels. RZ450e AWD. Enhanced performance and all-wheel drive. For drivers seeking additional power and traction, the 2025 Lexus RZ450e AWD continues to deliver with its advanced Direct-4 all-wheel drive system. First introduced with the 2023 Lexus RX, this system utilizes two electric motors, a 150 kilowatts motor at the front and an 80 kilowatts motor at the rear, combining for a total output of 308 horsepower. This setup propels the RZ450e AWD from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an estimated 5.0 seconds. The RZ450e AWD features a 71.4 kilowatt-hour battery developed by Prime Planet Energy and Solutions, PPS, offering an EPA estimated range of up to 220 miles with 18-inch wheels. The torque distribution can vary from 100% to the front wheels to 100% to the rear wheels, adapting to driving conditions for optimized performance. With a starting price of $48,675, the RZ450e AWD presents a compelling blend of luxury and electrified performance. Notable comparisons to the 2023 Lexus RZ. The 2025 Lexus RZ lineup represents a strategic expansion from the previous model year. The 2023 RZ450e, which was the sole option available last year, offered similar performance with its dual-motor all-wheel drive system and 308 horsepower output. However, it came with a higher starting price of $59,650 for the premium AWD model with 18-inch wheels. The introduction of the entry-level RZ300e and the adjusted pricing of the RZ450e AWD in 2025 signify Lexus's efforts to make its electric SUVs more competitive in the evolving EV market. Consumers now have more choices, with the 2025 models offering a broader range of prices and performance characteristics to meet diverse preferences. Design and interior enhancements. The 2025 Lexus RZ continues to showcase the brand's commitment to sophisticated design and premium craftsmanship. Built on the ETNGA platform, a lightweight steel structure with high body rigidity, the RZ combines agility with stability. The exterior features the Lexus spindle body design, moving away from the traditional grille to a more streamlined look, aided by a distinctive roof spoiler and a low hood that enhances aerodynamics. Inside, the RZ offers a minimalist yet luxurious cabin environment. The spacious interior benefits from the vehicle's compact powertrain and low platform, providing ample room for passengers. An available panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of openness, utilizing a low-emissivity coating to reduce heat and eliminate the need for a sunshade. The cockpit follows the Tizuna concept, focusing on driver-centric controls and a clean, intuitive layout. Advanced technology and convenience features. Technological innovation is at the core of the 2025 Lexus RZ's appeal. A standard 14-inch high-definition touchscreen serves as the command center for the latest Lexus interface, offering seamless integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers can access cloud-based navigation and an intelligent assistant by simply saying, "Hey Lexus," enabling voice-controlled interactions with various vehicle functions. Charging solutions are designed for flexibility and convenience. The RZ includes a dual-voltage charging cable compatible with both 120V and 240V outlets, accommodating different home charging setups. The CCS-1 charging socket allows access to public charging stations, and under ideal conditions, DC fast charging can replenish the battery from low to 80% in approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Enhanced safety and driver assistance. Safety remains a priority for Lexus, and the 2025 RZ is equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite of advanced features. This includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. The system is designed to support the driver in various scenarios, enhancing overall safety on the road. Additional available features like traffic jam assist provide assistance in low-speed, congested driving conditions, while the digital latch with safe exit assist helps prevent accidents by detecting oncoming traffic when opening doors. The RZ also offers an advanced park system, aiding drivers with parallel and perpendicular parking maneuvers using a combination of cameras and ultrasonic sensors. Charging solutions and ownership benefits. Lexus has considered the practical aspects of electric vehicle ownership with the 2025 RZ. Customers can take advantage of the available ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 charger for faster at-home charging, capable of adding up to 25 miles of range per hour and fully charging the battery overnight under ideal conditions. The RZ also supports various public charging options, ensuring drivers have the flexibility needed for longer trips. Enhancing the ownership experience, Lexus continues to offer the Lexus Reserve program for RZ buyers. This program provides 30 complimentary rental days over 3 years, offering access to other Lexus vehicles for occasions when a different type of vehicle might be preferred. This added benefit underscores Lexus's commitment to customer satisfaction and convenience. Bridging luxury and accessibility in the electric era. The 2025 Lexus RZ represents a thoughtful approach to luxury electric mobility, balancing performance, technology, and accessibility. By expanding the lineup with new entry-level models and adjusting pricing, Lexus invites a broader audience to experience its vision for the future of driving. As the electric vehicle market continues to evolve, the RZ positions itself as a strong contender, offering the quality and refinement synonymous with Lexus in an electrified form.